Hello, and welcome to HOSC Outpatient Surgery Center, located on the Penn State Health Children's Hospital campus, about a mile from the Children's Hospital. The ambulatory center is a joint enterprise between Penn State Health and United Surgical Partners International. The facility is fully accredited by the Joint Commission and features 7 operating rooms, including some especially designed for our pediatric patients here. Children's surgeons perform a broad range of pediatric procedures, including general surgery, orthopedics, otolaryngology, urology, and plastic surgery. Our medical director is Dr. Naraja Rajan, who is a pediatric anesthesiologist. She leads the center's multidisciplinary team to ensure best outcomes for children in our region. Now, I'd like to introduce Dr. Rajan.
Thank you, Dr. Sampson. Penn State Health Children's Hospital has been named a Level 1 Children's Surgery Center by the American College of Surgeons as part of its surgery verification program. Our hospital is the only children's hospital in Pennsylvania to hold this level of verification. As medical director, I ensure that our surgery center meets the high standards of the American College of Surgeons. The expert anesthesia and surgical providers at Penn State Health Children's Hospital are on site to assure that our patients have the best care possible. Fellowship-trained pediatric anesthesiologists are the individuals that care for the pediatric population at the ambulatory center, and our dedicated pediatric nurses have advanced training to take care of our young patients, remaining with them throughout their entire stay at the outpatient surgery center. We have strict patient selection criteria for the surgery center. Our patients must be at least 6 months old or more than 60 weeks post-conceptual age. Patients with comorbid conditions that would put them at increased risk for complications during the procedure or post-operative recovery are not scheduled at the surgery center. Patients who do not meet the criteria for surgery at our outpatient center will go to Penn State Health Children's Hospital for their procedures. In addition to making sure our pediatric patients have optimal surgical conditions, we're also focused on keeping them calm and engaged throughout their stay here, starting from the moment they arrive at the center. We have a separate waiting area just for them with a whimsical and soothing under-the-sea theme that's carried throughout all our pediatric areas. Our patients also receive activity bags with a coloring book that walks them through what to expect during the entire surgical process. To help distract patients during their IV placement, the Lions Pledge process is implemented to provide an optimal therapeutic experience during procedures such as IV insertion. Our dedicated pediatric operating rooms are equipped with the latest emergency equipment, including code cards designed specifically for pediatric patients, airway adjuncts, IV catheters, chest tubes, endotracheal tubes, and medications specific to the pediatric population. In the rare event of a medical emergency, we are able to transfer the patient quickly to Penn State Health Children's Hospital, just a mile away on our campus. We utilize a standardized recovery room handoff tool for transition of care from the OR to the pediatric recovery area, which is located immediately outside the OR suites to minimize transport time. We evaluate our pediatric patients' readiness for discharge by using the modified Aldrete scoring system. We're committed to improving quality outcomes for our patients using the same quality improvement processes as the Children's Hospital and having a joint review of pediatric adverse events. We ensure a seamless integration of the two facilities by having the same surgeons practice at Penn State Health Children's Hospital and at the surgery center. We're able to stay up to date on the latest evidence-based practices that support optimal patient outcomes. Thank you for taking a tour of our facility and letting us share what we're doing to provide the best surgical care for our pediatric patients. Penn State Health Children's Hospital is fortunate to have this dedicated ambulatory surgery facility.